In the first 4 movies, we used an entity diagram to first guide the construction of a custom database in a shared hosting environment. Second, create the same database in a local development environment using phpMyAdmin. Third, create the tables in the local environment. And fourth, create the primary key to foreign key relationships between tables. In this video, we will export the tables from the local environment in order to quickly build an identical structure in the shared hosting environment. When working between a local development and remote production environment, it is critical that the databases in both locations are identical. Please allow me to repeat myself. It is critical that the databases in both locations are identical. In this video, you need to return to the phpMyAdmin tool in the local development environment. Click on the Example database. Click the Export tab. You do not need to change anything on the page. Simply click the Go button. A SQL file with the SQL to build the database tables is downloaded to your local machine. Be sure to note the location of the downloaded file. Navigate to the file and open it in a text editor. You will note that it creates the tables, then the fields in the tables. Since our tables have no data, there is no data creation queries. Close the file. You may want to store the file in a location that is easy to remember for later use when needed. Log in to your remote hosting account. Open the phpMyAdmin tool in the remote hosting environment. Open the example database, keeping in mind that example may have other text prepended to its name. Click the Import tab. Click the Choose File button, and in the dialog box that opens, navigate to the SQL file on your local machine. Click Open. At the bottom of the Importing page, find and click the Go button. The SQL file should be read and executed, and the tables should appear on the left. Click through the tables to make sure that they are the same. Click the Products table, then click the Relation View link. It is located in the center of the page. You should see the same relationships here as was created in the local environment. That's it. These videos have walked through the process of creating the database. First, in the shared hosting environment where the requirements for naming and proxy users is most restrictive. Second, repeating the database creation in the local environment using the same names and proxy user with equivalent privileges. Third, creating the tables, following the entity diagram prepared in advance. Fourth, creating comments, indexes of fields that will serve as foreign keys, and specifying the relationship between the foreign key and primary keys in other tables. And fifth, exporting the tables from the local server and importing them into the remote server so that both databases are identical. I hope that this process is clear and helpful. Good luck.